Welcome to GPuncher. This tutorial is about how to GPuncher recognize and detect special tools from a DXF. And the option is right here, DXF and others. And this option right here, detect special tools shapes. I'm going to close, it's on. So I'm going to place a couple tool hits of special tools, a louver, a zero angle, and a car guide at 90 degrees. And next, what I'm going to do is to export the part. I'm going to make a DXF, and I'm going to override it. DXF convert to special tool is going to be the name, the file name. So I overwrote it. Now I'm going to go to the part. I'm going to delete the part. I'm going to bring it in through the DXF that we made. I'm going to say DXF in, file, and it's this one here. GPuncher is saying, hey, I just detected some special tools. Please check. So I'm going to place the part here, and I'm going to go to the part design, and let's see if I'm going to turn the hidden lines off so we can edit the special tools directly without the hidden lines interfering. So there we go. It's a louver. And here's the car guide right there, and it was converted back from the DXF file. I'm going to move this geometry. I'm going to move the special tools, put it here, then the louver somewhere here, and I'm going to turn back on the hidden lines. You can see GPuncher converts the lines and arcs to hidden lines. So you check that is in the right position, and it was overlapping the hidden line, so he actually put it where it belongs. Thanks for attending this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it and you like the software. Any questions, call your Torres 209-740-4682. Thank you, appreciate it.